Hey, this is Dave with the Shepherd School, and like every other Tennessee gun guy that watches YouTube, all four of us, I'm a big fan of Hickok 45. I love watching his shows. Well, if you follow him, you know that about every year he carves a pumpkin with some sort of firearm, and I kind of wanted to go ahead and do that also, kind of out of respect and admiration of all the views that Hickok 45 gets. So I've got my trusty mosin, okay, and some rounds. We're going to go up the hill a little bit and carve our little pumpkin. Okay, so here we go. Can you zoom in on it?
Holy moly. So this is what was left from our pumpkin after we
Carved it.
carved it, actually exploded it.
Here's our pumpkin carving. We're going to put this out on the porch